Why, hello everybody, it's Midget, and here we are camping! Oh god, so yeah, we're camping here today. It's gonna be one day camping. When I be going, I'm not gonna sleep. Yeah, no need to put music here because it's like there's so many sounds, so many things out here. This is gonna be awesome. So today where we are right now, we're actually in Bosque Cambalache. We're gonna be staying camping. And this is gonna be freaking awesome. In the meantime, I'm here just waiting for everybody to arrive and everything. Looks amazing. And have a good time. I'm not gonna sleep. So yeah, I've been late on videos because I've been, doing some activities and everything. For some of this one is one big activity I wanted to do. So I wanted to share with you all. So moving on, overall, this is gonna be a great experience. I will do as much recording to give you guys more of an awesome vlog. As you can see how I will enjoy the same way as you guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, in the meantime, I'm just here walking, basically a little bit to the forest. I'm just gonna walk a little bit because that looks terrifying. Look at that. Holy cow, I'm not gonna go in there completely. So anyways, I just want to really talk to you guys and say, I've been delayed, been doing many things, but overall I really want to do a lot of activities with everyone, and just to bring you guys the best of entertainment like I always do. But overall, this looks amazing in here. It's terrifying and creepy because I'm right now only with one of my friends. He's over there at the tent place, or should I say camp. So I'm right now here standing just in the forest area. This place looks amazing. I thank God that it's not raining, because I thought it was gonna rain, because this whole week was just basically stuff that was gonna rain and everything. But overall, this is just calm, it's chilly, it's good. It's a bit hot, yes it is. I thought it was gonna be more cold, so I came prepared with long pants, and I even brought my beanie and everything, and all as snuggy as possible, but it looks like it's not gonna rain that much. But overall, this is a great experience I'm gonna be having today with everyone. I'll show you guys a campfire, I'll do a lot of crazy things, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the best of what I can do here, because this is freaking awesome. We're around nature, you can hear the birds, you can see the creatures, there's a lot of crazy things here. So yeah, I keep moving on. Yeah, this time I came really equipped for this vlog because I really wanted to bring the best of quality that I can, because I've seen my vlogs and I really want to improve the best that I can to you can see what I'm doing. I don't want you guys to be seeing a lot of blur or a lot of shakiness. So overall, this looks amazing. Like, look, let me show you guys the place where we are right now. So yeah, that's gonna be the campfire. That's where we are right now. I put my tent over there. We have, ceiling and stuff. It's a big tree right there, and it looks amazing.
Five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That cooking?
Nah.
Cookie with a cookie.
Hey, we made fire!
I am a cake man.
No, you're not.
You made fire!
Okay. Okay, hello everyone. This is right now really dark. That was actually terrifying. It's actually really, really terrifying. Hello everyone, Midget here. I pretty much just to say that it's now really, really nighttime. It's maybe like 10 o'clock of the night. And until now, it's been great. I'm at my little camping right now. I'm in my tent. I'm at the tent right now. We were not able to do fire, so it was like crazy insane. Like the mother freaking... We tried to do a motherfucking campfire, and it didn't turn on. Even we used fire starter, we had torch, like we did everything, it didn't turn on. But yeah, overall, just pretty much here, just chilling, and pretty much just now here in the tents. So I've checked our area. It's pretty creepy sometimes because it's like really dark and like there's no light at all. You can hear all the animals, all the birds and owls and all the crazy things.
Midget, shut
But
up.
overall, it's crazy. What?
Shut the fuck up.
Why you making me shut up?
Are you recording?
No, you're all awake and I'm recording.
Are you recording?
No, I'm
He's
not.
recording!
I am not recording.
Yes, you are. Why are you talking alone, you asshole?
Because that's what a YouTuber does. Talk alone to a camera.
He's not a faggot. That's normal.
Yes, I'm a normal human being. Stop judging me. I will see you guys in the morning. Good morning, everyone. So, I didn't sleep only for maybe 1 hour, maybe. I'm gonna be here just chilling by the campfire. It was gonna be a campfire, but yeah, we never found a way of turning the fire on because everything was very humid. Here, just chilling. Overall, having a good time. I got the guys in the background over there. We were just messing around the last night. Everything. It was so cool. I liked it. The thing is, you might get creeped out since you're not usual sometimes when you go out or when you just pretty much just decide to take a little adventure or basically stay outside in the nature. Because basically you can hear a lot of birds, a lot of different sounds you're not used to. And you might get paranoid because apparently, yeah, you think there's someone watching you or there's someone walking by a camp or it's like, holy flipping cow. Yeah, that's why you gotta carry stuff. For example, carry a bat, carry a freaking something you can be, in defense. But overall, it was a great experience and I would do more of this, of course. I'm gonna plan with them another time, but like more days and staying over a lot, and then we actually do a campfire. But overall, it was great. I'm gonna move on now and just do a lot of other things. So yeah, see you guys in a bit. Bye.
You look like a monkey.
Come on, Cookie. Try to sprint it. Run, bitch!
We're walking over here with Midget XD,
Hello.
with Cookie and Amy for the trail of Bosque Cambalache.
I once found a dead body and I poked it with a stick.
Yeah, he did. It's true. It's disgusting. So we're just walking and chilling. It's getting kind of hot because of the humidity.
No,
I once met a unicorn and I killed it with its own horn.
that's just
It's
wrong.
a murder.
Yes.
We're hanging out with a murderer.
Yay.
Unicorn meat tastes awesome, by the way.
Okay, what the freak?
So anyway guys, this pretty much was an amazing time I had with all my friends and everything in the camping. It was a great experience. So what I'm gonna say now is just gonna be the outro. This was a great time I had. So I just want to say thanks for watching. TNT that like button, and as always, I'll see you guys next time. Midget out.